You guys, your girl Euniycemari here, and this is going to be the second part of the SheaMoisture box that I received. This is the review, so I'm going to be reviewing each and every one of these products individually in this video, letting you guys know exactly how I felt about them, did they work for me, all that fun stuff. If you are new to my channel, hello, go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you guys are hitting that post notification bell so you are notified when I upload. And if you like what I do here on my channel, give me a big thumbs up and share me with the world. If you have missed the demo of me trying all these products, I will link it down below above. Go check that out to see how I use the products, and then you can come back and see how I feel about them. Okay, so let's start off with the shampoo. All right, I was actually pretty excited about this product. So this is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. If you guys know, I am a big fan of leave-in conditioner by the same line, but I was really excited when I got this because I was like, okay, I have not tried the shampoo. I always eyeballed it, but I've never really gotten around to trying it. Now, I wrote down, hold on, the pros and cons with this, so let's jump right in it. So first of all, this was a little drying for me, which I'm not too surprised by, because if you look at the description, it is strengthening and restore shampoo. Anything that is strengthening for me and is not going to give me the best moisture, pretty much just strengthen the hair, and I'm going to have a deep conditioner really well. So it did leave my hair a little dry. You know how when you shampoo your hair and it gets a little straw like, that's how this made my hair feel. It wasn't extremely soft, but it wasn't, hold on, what am I trying to say? It wasn't super duper dry, but it wasn't soft either. It was just like this in between, like a soft strawness type of thing. So it did leave my hair a little dry. It lathered up well. This to me is more of a, not an every week shampoo for me, but maybe a once a month shampoo, just something to keep my hair strengthened. Could I be grabbing this every day or every week for my shampoos? Definitely won't. This will be more so like once a month, maybe every other month or something like that, or depending on how my hair is feeling. The next one we're going to jump into is the deep conditioner. I am not going to talk about this too much because I have a full review on the deep conditioner. You guys, if you guys don't remember, I will leave it down below and above. I have a full review on the deep conditioner, so I am not going to go into too much detail here, but they did give us 2 packets of this Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Treatment Mask with shea butter, peppermint, and keratin. I only use 1 pack in my hair, so I have another pack which I will most likely give to like my sister or something to try it out because she needs a deep condition. Girl, yes. So yeah, I will leave the link down below so you guys can go watch that video. I'm not going to go too deep into it because I have a whole video explaining my full thoughts and feelings on their deep conditioner. Next, we're going to talk about the leave-in. So this is a sugarcane extract and metal foam seed silicone free miracle styler leave-in treatment with marshmallow root, and this is for all hair types. So where do I begin with this one? Okay, so what I do like about it is I like the pump. I like the fact that the pump is kind of, it just squirts out a little bit at a time. I did apply it to my hands, and then I did apply it to my hair. The smell is okay. It can be a little annoying, but after a while it's okay. It doesn't really bother me as much. This is an extremely lightweight leave-in. Really lightweight. They say that it's for all hair types, but I don't know. Like, I have to kind of wait for my hair to fully get in motion to see how I feel about it. So far my hair is soft. I don't have any issues with my hair. This made my hair pretty soft. It was easy to get through. Doesn't have too much slip, of course, because it is silicone free, but it was okay. Like, I can't really say like this replaces my Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in. It's okay. Like, this doesn't really do anything for me, but we're gonna wait and hold off on this one. I'm going to use it a couple of more times because usually with leave-ins, that's how I am. I have to use it a few more times to really see if it works for me. And I'll come back on another video and we'll talk about this, but it was okay. It's okay. Like, it moisturizes. It's really lightweight, which makes me go because it's super lightweight. Like, it's just super lightweight. I don't know how to feel about it yet, so we're just gonna put that on the back burner and move on to the next item. Okay, so the next item is the extra virgin daily hydration styling gel. Okay, so this gave me a lot of great definition. I like the texture of it. It was really a different type of texture. Does it replace my gel, the Twisted Sister gel? No. It was really, I mean, my hair, it leaves a little bit of a crunch behind, but my hair feels soft. I mean, you guys, honestly, I'm just keeping it real. Like, it didn't surprise me. I mean, I don't dislike it, but it doesn't surprise me. Like, it doesn't top my Twisted Sister gel. Like, I won't go out and like replace my Twisted Sister gel with this. Like, it's an 8 fluid ounce. It did the job. It was fine. I would use it again, but it wasn't something that blew me out the water. I don't know. It just didn't blow me out the water, okay? Now, these two combined, I'm not a big fan of. It gave me a lot of moisture for my hair, but it's just raking it through made it really difficult. These two together just did not work. So I wouldn't use them together. I would use them differently. Like, I would want to use my Jamaican black castor oil leave-in and then apply this on top. So I guess you could say with these two products right now, I kind of want to play around with these a little bit more because currently they don't wow me. It's like, okay, it did a good job. So I'm going to play around with these a little bit more and see what other ways I can use it. And these will be a follow-up video duo, okay? Because they're okay. They didn't really wow me, and I'm like, I want to use them in some other type of ways to kind of see how they really work for me, okay? And lastly, I used this product before. You guys probably seen it in a video ages ago, and this is the coconut hibiscus hold and shine moisture mist with protein and silk protein and neem. And I just missed this on afterwards, and what I really like this for is exactly what it says, a moisture mist. I like to give my hair a shot of moisture every now and then, and I actually really do like this product, so I was happy to see this product when we got it inside of the box. I definitely will rebuy this product. I just like how a little bit of it goes a long way, and it definitely gives my curls a lot of moisture and great shine, okay? So overall, currently my hair is soft. Okay, I did go in, I did diffuse it a little bit or take a dryer to it because I didn't feel like waiting for my hair to take forever to dry. So this is what the outcome of it is with all the products used. I didn't get as much curl definition as I would have wanted, but I do think that the duo of the leave-in and that gel, I don't think that it kind of really worked too well. I really don't. I think if I would have used this with more of a curling, like maybe the leave-in by Jamaican black castor oil, or even the curl milk and this, I would have got better curl definition. So I think if you have curly hair, you might want to pair that with something that's going to support the curls, because I have curls, but they're not as defined as I would want them to be. So with some of these products, I have to play around a little bit more, especially with these two, to kind of see how I really feel. They're okay, they're not horrible, but they don't really, I think they can be utilized differently to make me get better results. That's what I'm trying to say. And yeah, with that being said, you guys, that's pretty much it with this box. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave your comments down below. Also, everything that I use here will be linked down below for you guys to go and check it out. And also, all my previous SheaMoisture videos will also be down below for you guys to go and check them out. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in a later video.